Alright, so last time we made a map transition thing that's different from the normal one, and we also created a menu. And in the time between last episode and this episode, I've also changed the resolution of the game, thus ruining the entire menu I created in the first place, because now it's all stretched out and just not good looking at all. Well, I mean, it works. It works. It at least gives us a lot more room to work with, to be honest. But it's there's like too much empty space right now, you know? So yeah, but fortunately, something I also did, like in between last episode and this episode, let me full screen this real quick. Oh boy, this is a bad example, but yeah, I gotta wait for his auto-run event to complete. There we go. I made it so the fade transition is back to its like original speed like it was in the beginning of the last episode, because what happened was, after the end of the episode, I had like created a new menu, right? But that menu was based on the scene map. So every time the player transitioned from an old map to a new map, it had to load the entire menu every time, thus increasing the time in which our fade transfer like this would take. Fortunately, what I've done is made so the map, like, the menu loads in like a separate object, and that just object is referenced from the scene map. And furthermore, it is actually like added to the map itself until it's first called. Once it's done, it will just load perfectly and fast and smooth and all that cool stuff. So yeah, fading transition is fast, our menu is fast, everything is fast and looks nice, so that's a good thing we got going on and stuff. So yeah, so in this episode, guess first thing we have to do is actually fix this menu, make it, you know, I mean, it's already good enough, but like, we gotta fix up the equipment. I actually want to add in like 2 equipment settings. I want to make one for weapons and one for the actual armors of the game. Now for the armors, I don't think we're gonna add like some sort of armor that won't necessarily be your like classical armor, because I always hate how like when you equip like a certain armor to like an actor or something, it isn't represented on their like player. And whoa, oh no, this is a messed up map. Like I was saying, like when you add an armor, just a normal like a chest plate or something, unless you have this like game where you set it up to be like that, you usually aren't going to find that armor or chest plate or whatever on your actor like this. And the reason for that is because, well, you know, this actor is going to be, well, you know, not just going to be consistent sprites. So, in order to remedy that, I've decided that instead of like having a, you know, armor system, it'll just be like a badge, I guess. Like, you'll have badges, and badges are what increase your defense and give you like special bonuses when equipping them. So yeah, that's that. So let's get straight into working this out. Let's first add the badge like thing to the thing. I already forgot like which one of these I always felt like I was gonna like remove one of these instead. I think it's gonna be the skill equip, then the second equip, the status, the formation. Is it gonna be the formation? Do I care about formation? I think I do a little. Okay, well, I don't know. We'll just add it in. Okay, let's do this. Alright, so I'm back, and like 5 things happened between like last time and now. First thing was I took a poop. I clogged the toilet. Then I fixed it. Then I took a shower. And also add like the badge button to the equipment thing. Yeah, there we go. It just goes to the equipment scene. So nothing different yet. But you know, we're taking one step at a time. And also when you like leave the equipment screen, like breaks everything. I can't even open the menu now. So yeah, that's great. So anyway, on to making it so, well, I guess we just go straight into... Actually, I want to first talk about like the screen resolution. You're probably wondering like, why did I increase the screen resolution to this? Which is I think I made 1024 by 576, and it's mainly because of the battle system. Because you know, originally, if you look at the battle system before when it had like the default resolution, it's a little we don't really have much room, to be honest. I was planning on having it like scroll around, like making like a bigger battlefield on like a smaller like screen size, but then like you'd have to have some sort of way like the players like look around through the camera and like see. This is too much work, you know. I just wanted to have like a simple, big screen area you could see everything all at once and make your decisions there. And so, you know, I just made it widescreen, you know, make it a lot better. But of course, in return, it's sort of like, I have to like make compromises, make the things different, make the menu different, make everything different. Also to fix the title screen, oh, it's gonna be a hassle. But like, yeah. So, the thing is that like, you really don't want to make an RPG Maker game like widescreen resolution, unless you have a very, very good reason to. Like, if you have, like, parallax mapping, then definitely want to, like, show off all that. Then, yeah, go for that, like, that 1280 by 720. Or if you like tall characters, like what I do have right here, then, yeah, maybe you might be able to show a little bit more room and stuff. But, like, if you're using, like, the default tile, so, like, the default character's, like, 1 tile tall, then, you should probably stick with 816 by 64. Now, I've seen a lot of people, like, say, like, that's a bad resolution, but it's, like, it's a great resolution. Out of all the things that are default that you shouldn't do, or like all the default things that you like should have in your game, having like the 816 by 64 resolution is definitely like one thing. Oh, this stupid glitch is definitely one thing you should have, because it's a pretty good resolution for like the tile set you have and like all the resources you use for like default. So yeah, that's my like mini rant on screen resolutions. Pretty much I use 816 by 64 if you don't have like a good reason, or if you can make it smaller. That's also a good thing to do. Yeah, I gotta fix these things. Okay, BRB. And alright, I think I actually got this down. So yeah, the secret with like these mini transfers is that you gotta do like relative to like the exit event or the like entrance event. Cause that way if you like change the size of the map, you make sure that you don't just mess up the coordinates once you're transferring you to. So yeah, so it takes a bit of coding, but you know, it's pretty cool once you get it done. So yeah, so that's that. Now I can actually go on to actually like, you know, making the equipment stuff work. Oh, I have this backwards also. It's pretty bad. Alright, so like here's the thing when it comes to the like scene equipment. Now since I'm gonna be like separating it into like two different sections, the weapons and like the armors, I'm gonna have to like figure out like an entirely new way to do this. Cause like I'm thinking that when you click on like the weapons, it's gonna have like a list of all the weapons, like how you like do with all like the skills and stuff. So you like select a weapon, then like select the person you're going to equip it on, or maybe you click on equipment, select the person you're gonna want to equip something onto, then get a list of all the weapons, then you can like see which weapon that person currently has on, and the stat changes that will occur when you like highlight one of the weapons. So I'm probably gonna go with number 2. Yeah, so I guess we don't really need this command window. We just need like the, I don't know, so hard. But yeah. So essentially, it's gonna look like this. It's gonna have like I'm gonna put my mouse right here. It's like equipment window with all the equipments. Up here is gonna be like the current equipment. And then down here, it's going to be like the stat change window. It's just going to be like, some people suggested like having like green and red arrows, just like to like, instead of just having like specific stat changes. And that's probably going to be a good idea. So let's go with that. So yeah, coding time, start. Alright, so here's what I got so far. As you can see, I can make it so the equipment stuff opens. I got this like main thing right here for a list of all the equipments, and the status window right down here. I'm going to fix it up, make it look a lot better. We have a lot more room to work with now, so fortunately I can actually like list out each and all of the like, I think it's gonna be 4 stats. I'm gonna replace defense with HP. So instead of having like this attack versus defense system, each skill is gonna have like a consistent amount of HP, consistent amount of damage that they do, and to increase your defense, just increase your HP. So yeah, as you can see, it should list off a lot of things. I don't know why it's going right here. Is this just like the, I don't know what this is. What happens if I click it? Everything breaks. Well, that's cool. So yeah, I have a lot to work to do. It's still like not working at all, but you know, I can make it happen. What's next goal? Next goal is to make it so that oh yeah, I was gonna make it so like all the weapons are listed, because like right now I have like 3 weapons in like the inventory, but like only the thing is being listed. In fact, I should pretty much check out, see what the item thing looks like, because if the item window is showing like all the weapons also, that isn't really what I'm going for. So yeah, okay, cool. So like it's only showing items, and this is only showing weapons. So cool. Except I gotta make sure all the weapons. So let's do that. And alright, I got all the weapons to list now. So yeah, so now they're all listed and good to go. So yeah, on to the next thing, which was make so this window right here is actually like usable, I guess. I also gotta make so the thing's a little wider. Should I make it two columns? I was thinking about it, like I could push this over like all the way back to where it was, where the corner was like over here. Then like spread this out a bit, make like I have like 2 separate columns. Or perhaps what I could do, okay, so what I could do is actually set this like thing, the comparison window to the side of it like it is at like usual. I'll have like this current equipment like thing on top of it or something. And then I'll have like, and then for like the items and stuff, like for skills and items, I can make these be like 2 columns. Or I can make, for skills I can make it so like 1 column's like offense, 1 column's defense. And for items, I guess I can give it like 2 columns. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Now, before continuing with like the equipment stuff, I decided it's probably better we first figure out this item situation and all this stuff. So like, as you see here, I moved the like command window over a lot. And I made so now like I said before, the item window is now like 2 columns. So I like how it looks right now, but the problem is that like it looks kind of empty when it's like this, because then there's like, you know, there's all this empty space right here. So I'm thinking that instead of like having it like just have this command window stay right here, it might like go into the middle, and then when we select the command, it moves over here. Now that might be cool, and it might also not work, but we'll see how it goes. So yeah. Also, this item window is a little boring. Gotta fix it up a bit. And alright, here we go. So now as you can see, I'm going to get these items and stuff. I'm going to go to my thing, and if I hit item, moves it over like that. I had to slow down the opening speed of the item window a bit, but now it's like more synchronized. So now when it's like done, yeah, you get the point. Also, the labels window's all messed up. I should fix that. Yeah, okay. Let's see what happens if you okay, so if you close it midway, it sort of it continues where it last left off, to be specific. So we gotta fix that, but besides that, it should be good. Yes, yeah, I caught a bug before that. What? It's not really a bug. It actually sort of looks kind of cool. So yeah, okay. Alright, let's do this. Alright, now I made it so that when the menu, what am I doing again? Oh yeah, so when you open the menu, it does that. The command label thing follows it just perfectly. And if we close it really fast, it'll still open back in the middle, like that, good and all. So, yeah, there we go, cool, awesome, yay. Alright, well, now that I did that, now let's, I guess we make the decision on whether or not this actually looks good. So, does it look good? I don't know. I mean, one thing, I don't know. I mean, space-wise, it looks pretty good. I mean, will I have enough items to actually make it fill up this entire area? I don't know. Maybe I could do something else. Maybe I could add more information. Could I? Once again, I don't know. Should I add some indication on which things activated right here? Maybe like some scrolling. In fact, all around, I don't really like this command. I'm probably gonna change it to something else later in the episode. So, yeah. But I guess until then, we're good. Let's keep it as it is, and we'll move on to the skill window. So yeah, we can find something cool for that. So I also want to find some sort of way to make this, not this. I mean, maybe. I don't know. Does it look good? Maybe I could make it so it moves over a bit, or make oof. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so now I've made it so that instead of that mini window we just saw earlier that lets you select the actor, it's now this more a little bit more detailed window with the character sprites moving, the name, the level, and the health. Took a bit, but yeah, I have it now. Now the real question is, do I want to make this window persistent and have it to the right, then put the this command window back to the left, and then have things shift over once you choose item or something? So maybe this, if it's over or on the right here, it just move off, or I'm not sure. It's maybe what I was planning to originally do was actually just have this move over and have this guy go over to this side like we're doing with the item window, then have this guy get replaced once the other thing comes up. But I'm not sure. I don't know. I guess I'll try the one I was planning on doing. Alright, so what I've done is what I said before. So I'm gonna make it move to the side like this, lets you choose a character like this, and then it's gonna open up the skill window like that. So now, next thing I gotta do is actually make it so that, I can make it, I'm probably gonna split this into two sections, offense skills and defense skills. But I'm still thinking about how I'm gonna do that. So, I wanna make sure I fill up as much space as I can, because I don't want, empty space. This is good, I guess. This is sort of So, I was originally thinking I was gonna split it into two columns, have one be offense, one be defense. But what if instead I moved this window over, then over on this side I had something that lets you select between offense and defense. Sort of the sections for the skill, what are they? You know what I mean? How skills by default in RPG Maker MV are split into sections that I select from on the command thing on top or on the side or whatever. So, also I want to have some sort of indicator saying which person this is. So maybe I'll add, oh, you know what I should be doing? I should split these into different windows, and then have the window that is actually selected move to the side or something. Oh, ooh. I don't know. Ugh. So many options. Oh, okay, let's think. Let's think here for a second. So let's think about all the benefits. First of all, I wish there was some way to indicate which window we're focusing on or which side we're focusing on, because this command was sort of just in the way. I don't know. It was sort of cool when they're all when they're stable next to each other, but now it's Oh, ooh, eek, ah. Yeah, I'm definitely have to change this command window a bit around. So yeah, so ah, ooh, okay, okay, okay. Let me think for a second. You know what? After thinking about it for a while, I've decided, like, you know what? Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go back to, like, original setup I had, where, like, this command window was on the side, and it'd be consistent, and have, like, a, like, you know, consistent, like, position there. And then, we're also gonna add in the you know, this guy right here, this command window right here, alongside of it. The problem is, we don't have enough room, so the solution is, I'm gonna redo the entire command window. I'm gonna make it so, instead of being this icon thing right here, I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna try something. I'm gonna try something new. It's gonna be crazy. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but it might be pretty cool. You wanna know what it is? Well, you'll see. All right, so here's like a very basic thing what I'm trying to go for. So as you can see, it's like it's pretty much what we usually see. So it's like it's command window, but the buttons they like expand and move and stuff when you select them. So yeah, pretty much the same thing so far. Yeah. So what I want to do is make it so you see how like the item right now is in like this consistent same position right as it is as like all of these are. Instead of that, I want to make it so like there's like one in the middle is the one that's always selected, and then when you like push a button, it like scrolls and their like scales move based on their distance to the middle. Does that make sense? No? Okay. Cool. Well, anyway, so yeah, so that is that, and let's try and make that happen. I also gotta make sure the scaling isn't like based on the top left corner. Alright, so I finally did it. Like, this took years. Like, you don't even know, man. Like, I had to go on like a spiritual journey, and like, you know, I like went and fought Darth Vader. Then his mask came off, and it was actually 777. And it was at that movement I knew 777 was my daddy. Anyway, here's the new command window. Well, this is what I was trying to talk about earlier. So as you can see, it's like this. So right now I'm on item. It's like wham. If I go to game end, yeah, and then it's like weapons, yay, cool. Skills, and it's like yeah, and then like back to items, and yeah. So it's like this. So yeah, I think this works. See, it's a lot skinnier. It fits. I could also add in the mini status in with the menu. I got it like, well, like vertically down the side, I guess. Right to the left of this, maybe. Then to the right would be like the actual item menu stuff. I don't know, but like, nah. I guess first things first, we actually gotta make so this thing actually looks good. And so what I was thinking of doing is actually making it so these were what do you call them, like windows. So like each like thing was like a window, and of course it just had like the name on it, like select skill, and also possibly an icon next to it, and you know that'd be that. So yeah, is it should I do it? Well, I guess you can't answer that question. Oh well. Anyway, let's go try it out. Yay! Back on another giant journey, because yeah, an FYI is I probably have to make them sprites, so I'll have to make like sprite windows. And that's gonna take another 500 years. I can hardly wait. Why I gotta do something on this auto run event. It's getting really annoying. But yeah. Okay, cool. Well, okay. See you then. I'm going back into the swampy depths of the sublime text. Yay. Okay, I started recording on accident again. Oh, that's great. So while you're here, why don't you check out what I got so far? Alright. Is everything good? Alright, everything looks good. Alright, cool. So, oh no. Okay, yeah, I was in the middle of something. That probably explains why it's not working. But what do I need to do? I need to go in here, type window right here. So window, and then I'm going to go down here, and I'm going to be like, win. And then in here, I'm going to be like, win. Because that's going to pass the actual name of the window skin for each command into each and every little button. So that way, I can make like different buttons with different window skins. You know, pretty cool. So yeah, so here it is right now. It's really bad. I know. I don't know why these like the bitmaps aren't fading along with it, because they're also like, a part of the sprite. But whatever. Okay, we're good. We're good. So yeah. Yeah, we gotta spread it out definitely. But once we've done that, we can also like start adding some cool, fun rotations and stuff. Make the middle one like spread in and out. Definitely, since it's like aligned like this, I want to line it against the side right here. That would like make a lot more sense. It'd look a lot more cooler too. So let's get straight into doing that. Yay! Why is the anchor up there? That's why I want to. It's like, I guess Windows just don't have it. Like, I thought converting it to a sprite would like fix the anchor problem, but I guess not. So yeah, I guess I'm the idiot here. Yeah. Does the translation? Oh, whoa. Like, whoa. Why is it like that? Why? I don't know. Do you think the translation looks cool enough? Like, it goes like, like that. I didn't do that on purpose. That was just a result of like how I programmed it. Like, yeah. Then it just fades out. Except these words aren't fading out, so that's cool. Well, anyway, am I still recording? Oh, I'm still recording. I'm not talking to myself. Just kidding. I'm talking to a microphone. Okay, so, yeah. Well, see you when I make it more spread out and against the left side and cooler. And, okay, here we go. Yeah, so this is like almost the new command window. So it's still a little like, still a little like choppy. If you push too hard, it goes like this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, but like as you can see, it's sort of like, a different thing now. It like fades in. It's aligned to the left. It looks a little cool. Yeah. It's a window. Yeah. Is it? Okay, yeah. So, well, yeah, I guess now all we got to do is just make things work and stuff. So, that's a big that's a lot of stuff I got to fix up. So, I guess first things first, let's make it so the whoa. Oh yeah, it gets stuck. Oh man. So much hard stuff you gotta take care of, Oh, so I have to like find some sort of way to make sure that like it's finished completing before hitting the thing, or like somehow not sacrifice any speed when like trying to, I don't know. I have to fix this, so I guess what I really need is just a consistent good speed. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Let's see. And okay, now I've made it so that it doesn't lag when you hold it, or it doesn't like do the thing. It's still a little, though. Especially this part right here, like, just like zooms into it way too fast, and I don't know what to do about that. So I'm still thinking about it, like, fix that. But yeah, to be completely honest, I'm not a huge fan of how it looks right now. It doesn't feel right, Or maybe I'm just insane. Maybe I just gotta add in some more like icons, make the window skins different, and then it'll be cool. I don't know. I guess we'll try that. Alright, so here it is with like the icons and stuff. So already that looks pretty good. So I will admit this might turn out better than I thought. So let's try giving them different window skins. And alright, so here it is with the actual like, the what do you call the like, I just took the same window skin but gave it different hues. I do have other window skins with like different like white frames right here, but I decided, screw it, we're gonna just do it this way instead. So yes, now we have different hues. I tried to correspond them to like the icons. I started like change some of the icons to make it work, but I made it work. And then yeah, so this is this. Does it look good? I have no idea, but it's not that bad. It's like, what? Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm just staring at it too much. Maybe it's fine. I don't know. Yeah, so I just I definitely need to think of like a new movement format, because what I'm doing right now just doesn't feel right. But we'll ignore it for now. Instead, I guess we'll just do the rest of the entire menu. I still haven't done the equipment yet. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, why? Okay, so let's look at the bright side. Okay, so we have. Oh, we don't even have the items done. All right. Huh. Well, all right. I'm thinking like, how can we make like the items like? Are we just gonna go back to what we had before? To go over like previous progress and just make it like a 1-column window again? Just don't care about anything. That might work. Maybe. I don't know. I did have the idea of putting all of these together, like including this like thing, but I don't know. I just don't know. Like, would it really work? Okay. All right, so I think I've fixed all like the basic stuff. So like item, it's all back. It's all good now. So like, yeah, let's get some items and like, yeah, skills, they're good. Weapons we haven't done. Badges we haven't done. Status is good. Formation we haven't done. Game end is, better fix it right now. Okay, go back over here. Be like, oh, whoa, right here, and be like, okay, where's the game end? X equals, here's these. Oh, okay, that was good. Okay, skill window X. There we go. Put it right here. Yeah. Okay, cool. I guess we finally do equipment stuff now. The original intent of this episode. Did I don't know. We'll do it. Let's go. You know, on second thought, so screw the equipment. No, I just don't feel like it, you know, because I feel so unsatisfied by like this. It probably looks cooler on screen, but like, it just doesn't feel right, you know. Like it just doesn't feel right, and it's bugging me. It's making me thinking like, did I do all this work for nothing? Should I just go back to my old menu? Was that better? It might have been better, to be honest, because like, I don't know, just more compact, more easy to understand, you know. This is like, this might be like the first time in the entire series where like, I actually like have an idea, I go through with it, and it's like the idea is not good. It's like I'm not satisfied with. Like what? I don't know. Like it was such a cool idea and concept, right? But like, it just doesn't feel right. Doesn't have the right feel I was looking for. It just feels all glitchy and slow and ungood. Ugh. Yeah, and then there's the rest. Then there's like the proportions to the rest of the screen. Like, I have way too much free space. If I make this 2 columns, it looks bad. But if I make it 1 column, it looks bad. Like no matter what I do, it looks bad because like the proportions. I don't know. Is it really though? Is it really though? Who knows? I don't know. I wish I knew. Maybe. Well, wow. This really does feel weird. Okay. Well, I guess that's about it for this episode. I mean, wow, like, yeah, like such a short episode. Oh wow. Oh no. Couldn't even do an hour this time. I was planning to, but like, I don't know. I've spent so much time trying to figure this out, and it's not working. It's just yeah. You know what? Next time, I'll have this all figured out. I'll have something good, something I like, a good idea. It'll be great, and I'll work with it. But I guess until then, I guess like whatever rules like the laws of misfortune and you know, bad game coding effects happening wins out this time. Is like a dark episode, like is like I don't know. Oh well. Okay. Well, what do you think the menu should be like? Comment below. Also be sure to leave a thumbs up if I don't know. You should leave a thumbs up if you if you appreciate the effort. Let's go through and oh, what's gonna happen? Oh, the auto run cutscene. Oh boy. Ooh. And then it goes blah, blah, and then we're like, yay, we're back here, and then it's yeah. Then it's yeah. I don't know. Yeah, this menu isn't doing it for me. I don't know. Should I go with the icons? Or should I go with this? Should I Can I fix it? I could probably fix it. But like this doesn't change the proportion problem. Should I go back to my old? No, I can't. I can't go back to the old screen resolution. Screen resolution is set in stone, but like everything else, I don't know. I don't know. I cry every time. Well, time to go to sleep. Honk, you're sleeping now. Yay. Yeah. Wow. That's like 2 episodes gone now. Oh, I'm so mad. What do we do? What do you do to make this menu good? What could... I don't know. I've gone on too long. So it's time to go. Yeah, let's end off by looking at my beautiful title screen. I have to fix this also, you know. Look at this. You know, next time maybe we'll fix the title screen instead of fixing the menu. 'Cause at least... Oh, yeah, see, like, it's... Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah, I forgot to do the thing where I have to do the thing. Erase all this. Yeah. There we go. And now it's gonna work. Full screen. Oh, no. Yeah. Bam. It's just too short now. I don't know. Well, okay. Good night. I'm gonna go, I don't know. Yeah. Wait. Now, yeah.